don't have paper towel in the bathroom?
No, I'm still going to put one in there.
Anyway, let me try it out for my clothes.
Mm.
You know the bathroom dirty. You don't clean it out for a morning?
I'm not going there for a morning.
You need to get somebody to fix the bathroom. Because you see the tank underneath the toilet there, so it a leak. And the tank not full properly. The shower not work. The face basin, you know the top of the pipe. Underneath this alright. You know what I mean? I look up at it not working good. Everything a leak. A water me step in. The whole of my foot wet up. The bathroom flood out right now if you go and go look. So get somebody and fix it. I don't know that man a regular thing sometimes it happen. But me just I tell you understand?
It's some fix, yeah. I don't know, I need some money.
Me broke than you. So I go on differently.
You know, so I get through for college.
I lie.
Me say, actually I don't know me happy.
Say God no.
God no. When I love tell lie.
Congrats,
Cynthia.
Congrats.
Yeah, me
Yes.
get through, but you know, my thing stay with money already. Remember say mommy they are foreign and she not work. And she send me look something to help me start yes, but I don't have no money.
Right now, wouldn't mind you get some money and give me a little piece out there. So I'm trim man when I talk to.
I'm not telling me yet, you say you first me I tell. So
okay.
Me I go tell him and hear what you have to say.
Alright, that sound good man. Anyway, me have something to say to you too. I'm glad to you get through to go. At college, because guess what? I did not have the opportunity to go. So I wish you all the best and I hope when you talk to that man there, he give you some money to go to college. See him?
Yeah.
Alright, little more.
Later.
Yes, girl. Big up yourself.
That's right. Bless you. Osman, jag går alltså för substance för food. So I'm going foreign now, man. I bring up with me now.
You fear?
Of course. Come on, sir. My rapper.
And you smell of your music then? Rap something for me. Rap something for me, baby.
Yeah, I mean, I eat the ice cream. We don't eat the ice cream now.
What time you know?
Yes.
Oh, coming from work already? You look tired though.
I tell you, man.
Me have something to tell you. Kinda. It mostly good. I say good and bad, but it mostly good.
What that now mean?
You get through for college.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
So much, you think I'm a
Don't
joke?
give me a hug, man. Proud of you, you know.
Thank you.
Proud of you, you know. So, no, it's money that you know, babe. So, how that dog go now?
I know.
Alright, babes. I know this again. You and this college thing are going, you know.
What you mean?
Because the last time I said I want to go to college and I walk out, you know.
That I lost woman, that on me.
Then, like, why, babes?
What you say a while ago? What you say? You turn up in my room and come tell me about how. What you say? This one crowd. You turn up in my room and tell me, a woman, where you saga. Say you not send me to college, you not help me to college. In my room you turn up.
The last woman me help out, she dissed me. She find college. You hear me I say no? You hear me I say? Find college boy.
That I last woman you send.
He say you want upgrade, you want to upgrade in a relationship, so you left me, you know remember nothing about me. All them sacrifice the way me make. All them hours there, them late hours the way me work and you don't know. Babes, right now I don't know how you're in the college thing now. I am me our college right now. Me now go back to the same thing again. Me learn my lesson. So the college thing them I don't know it go work out for you.
You hear yourself? Come like you lick your head. Come like you lick your head.
Me not, so you don't understand the point? You don't understand? Me learn my lesson, why you can't understand that? And you talk about you put me out yes, so that means say you no love me and use you look somebody for use.
Me look somebody for use get up.
Cause Evelyn, what kind of foolishness? So you quick to put me out.
What you mean?
So if Evelyn, if this was a test, you'd have failed it.
Test or no test, you're not handing you if you're not help me. Only test me I take and pass I want to get a university or AIDS. So you better come out.
You should have been the first one to understand, cause when we just meet, me just come off a heartbreak.
Oh. So it's sacrifice and everything what we got through not mean nothing to you. That don't signify nothing. I say if I did something worse than this, I see me that go on and compare me to somebody else.
This is a different situation. And this is one me learn from. When me and Shanice did there, and me say me go to college. He find college boy and upgrade the relationship and left me. And me if you go out do the same thing over. Me a fool. Me look at me an idiot.
I am not like Shanice. And you know that. This is a different situation because you know say me love you. And me can't believe say you do this to me. And now tell me if you choose between you and college. I disrespect that. Straight disrespect, straight dirt. You just pull me in a dirt, youth. Don't worry yourself.
You talk about love, you know what is love?
Tell me.
Love is not putting somebody out there. That is not love. You ready to put me through the door already? And you talk about you love me and me if you send you go to college. So when you reach a college and you find a next man, upgrade your thing and same level, me learn my lesson.
If you cannot help me, I cannot help you. It is a two-way street.
Me good enough, my friend.
So go on.
Me good enough. Me a soldier, me good, me know if you survive out there.
Go on.
Do your fair thing.
I hope you buck on it a Shanice and more.
And that you wish for me.
What you mean,
and
and worse.
And you say you love me.
Call it what you may. Go
And that you call love.
Go on.
One thing though, me have my money. And my lesson, me learn that and me a keep it.
I hope you buck on it a Shanice and more.
Shanice and
Go on.
your bad what she say now go work
That
out. Me have my money.
I hope you buck your toe.
Me have my money.
I'll let toe you fi buck. Jump on your big forehead. Come on.
And when you done that say you love me. You're good man.
Yeah, you love go on. You love a follow you behind.
No, how you put cheese in there?
Come now.
You can't put cheese in there. Pull us,
Babe, stop now.
Alright, now I'm belly run. Come on. I buy pizza land here and build up your house over there for your mother.
Really, babe?
Your mother can't live over there.
Yeah, but they're nice. I love over there.
So I come from foreign. So I come back from foreign. I got married. Me and I will ever left. I'm sure I'm married forever. And get so nice to pick me, you know? If you get one boy first, we can call him AJ. And get one girl.
But I want girl more first.
Well, she can name Alora
So nice.
or Mia.
Or Mika.
No, I don't like Mika. Married forever. Yeah, man, watch the door. When I watch it.
Yeah, what's it for me?
Can I watch later? I watch over here. I love it forever.
Yeah.
Just to style me, you know.
You really think what I'm styling? I can't style you.
No,
So
woman.
babe, we can get $30,000. I have something for one to take care of.
When you want it.
But I take it now to have it.
Next week, man. Next week when we get money, we can go and get it.
Alright.
I want to show off your perform.
Okay, babe. Alright, so wrap something for me.
No, man, it's something to work, man. Come on, that's something. Come on, that's something. I remember that song and still remember that song. I'm trying to remember it, you know. Money I come round and flow like a singer. No, mine up body feed daddy. sit down low and come in. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm a rich nigga. Out here in Jamaica. I'm a rich nigga. I'm a rich nigga living in City.
Alright.
I'm going to show them me tighten up that little piece. I'm going to show them tighten up that little piece. See me, but
My man is a rapper. He's a rapper. He's a rapper.
so make sure I'm putting in the camera and do the right thing.
Man.
Make sure I'm spoil you know. Spoil you know.
I love your rap music though.
You love rap music? Yeah, I'm number one fan, you know.
Can't wait for your bus, you know. Your bus is real way. Cause I know your bus, but more your bus is real way.
I mean,
I know you got to take care of me, you know.
You can't do that. I'm back at me. I'm back at me later.
I'm a rapper.
You gotta make sure me buy a bima.
No, wait. That's why I'm supposed to do that now.
Eh? No man, what you talking about? But make sure me take care of you man. Make sure me buy you one nice, decent ring. Put by your finger, you know a thing. Cause a long time you're there with me, you know, babes. Long time you're there with me, you know a thing, you know. Make sure you me spoil you like a mango. Spoil like a mango. Mango sweet. When it's all in the sweet.
I'm ready for good one.
Yeah man, go on, go beard man.
Yeah.
Wash your hair. Wash your hair, baby. Wash your hair with shampoo and conditioner.
You look so stressed out.
I'm stressed right now, you know.
Oh, Jesus. What happened to you?
Yeah, since I get through for college and I can't find the money. Right now, he's safe for pay and I don't know where I get the first dollar from.
Me know you don't have no money. When you're in need of things in your life, you don't know what you have to do?
What do?
Pray. Prayer is the best thing ever. And anything you want, God will provide it for you. What you worry about? You're a young girl about your stress. Me, no care what me need and me want, me not stress over it. If me forget it, me will get it. If me not forget it, me not get it. You'll stop stressing. And no matter of fact, get up and cheer up yourself. Me don't like them sitting here, man. You're boring up yourself. You're all somebody.
You think so it's easier said than done? If you see I just saw you go.
Wait there. So hold on there. Chew you stress make your place look so.
Cause me can't.
Girl, look what if I close them on the bed. Watch over there, so. No, me and friend, me go help you clean up your place. You can relax and lie down, make me clean up your place. But me no want you do this, so I stress out over me want money to go to college. Me say pray, God will answer your prayer. You look like you don't know faith. Sure, me clean up your place. And look at your place dirty looking and tan too. Oh, Jesus. You have to clean up your place, girl. You make people come in your yard come see your place dirty looking so true because you want money.
You're not done.
But if me not done. Not done, look at your place dirty. Girl, you better when call me from morning to come help you do it, because you know more than help you and tidy it up already. Look all over here so it can. You can't, you're a young girl, you know, you can't do this sitting here. Watch out. Drink out the buckle and dash it down the ground.
Yeah.
How can I style this? The time I left my hand, me clean up, you know. I mean, you know what? Me not like people come on my yard and see it dirty. Because they not tell you all when they and them are close friends, you know what they do? Go tell your neighbor or other people, so when you and them are close, then take it tell you. Some good friend we can help you and keep that as secret. But look here, nastiness, no make up girl, you know add up. Clean up your place. Last time they come in your yard go help you clean up it. To me and your friend, yo, no ramp with me. If you say, yo, me I don't know maid, you know. I choose me rate you still as my virgin, you know, me I help you clean up it.
Sharika! Allah, come on, people here, man. Sharika!
Oi, how that? How are you? I make you a woogie so what happened?
No, man, remember say my birthday. I'll come up tomorrow.
If I know say you born me.
What you mean? You know say me and I already.
So what you gonna do?
You know, so I can't let me link you to borrow 5 grand from you. Cause, you know, tomorrow's birthday, me kind of low upon cash, you know, more. You know, drink and feel good, you know, upon birthday.
No, listen to me and listen to me good, Papa. Me a good friend. You know, say, when you come and say promise me no ramp.
Me have one partner job come up. And when I hear birthday, me I get 30 grand different from the 5 grand.
Oh.
Yeah, it's not no problem. It's just that the partner not come yet. So, tomorrow's birthday, I want to feel nice.
Remember what you say now? You give me 30,000 plus the 5,000 when me a lend you.
You don't worry about that, man. When me make a promise, me keep that. So you're not fret, you don't know that.
Me just a warn you, me not fret or nothing. Me just a warn you from now. Because you're supposed to know me. But anyways, look like you're lucky there. Stop going like a Gladys night and the pips, man. I'm not even for my money, but me can't lend you a thing.
Yeah, don't worry, man. Look more, yeah? So what is that? Sexy, though.
Hello, good afternoon. I don't think you have the right number. No, not at all. That's okay. Thank you. Yours don't sound bad either. Nothing like that. Nothing of that sort. I'm not all that busy. No.
Alright, so what's the name? Who I start talking to?
Well, you're talking to Angelica.
Angelica.
Yes.
Yes. You have an angel name, though.
Yes, 1L.
Yeah. You know, so if I'm man, me don't feel, me don't get that energy, I like, me feel like I smile, I feel happy, but the vibe just do something to me feel like, you know, for jump, for joy, you know what I mean?
Good to know.
Yeah, so, it sounds like you're a fun individual, you know?
I mean, self-praise doesn't count, but you can say that.
Yeah, so, but where are you from, though?
Oh, I'm from Kingston.
Kingston.
Where are you from?
Well, I'm from the countryside, you know. Darlistan.
Okay, so what's your name?
Oh, they call like fire, you know.
Oh. Oh, that means that you're a Rasta.
Yeah, man, I the Rastafari, you know what I mean?
Okay, I don't normally like Rastas.
I think the perfect choice for you would be I because I don't eat and I don't cheat, you know what I mean? And I stay up and I don't sleep.
I see.
I'm strong, I don't weak.
You're full of lyrics though.
No, I just speak how I feel.
Well, I don't normally talk to strangers on the phone this long, so it was nice talking to you, Fire, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Yeah, man, I want a good idea. Listen, before you go do, because that's not transaction. I'm a business person, always making transactions, so my time to break the whole business point from the business, it would be a good vibe. I could talk to you if you're not busy, you know what I mean? And if you want like credit anything to your phone, I can tap you up. So if you feel the same way, like you go through some time or you feel down, and you know what I mean, we could talk, you know what I mean?
Okay, so tell you what, you save my number and I'll save yours, and we'll see how it goes.
Alright, you're on WhatsApp?
Yes, I am.
Alright, so I'm gonna send you a picture of myself, or you send me a picture of yourself today, now we can talk on the phone. We are friends on today.
Alright, Fire, enjoy the rest of your day.
Yo, right now we have a new song, brother. I think I want to put it on the rhythm, you know. I think I want to put that one up on the rhythm. Yeah, you know.
Hold on. I want to record it, dog, because I want to get some views, man. What you say, man?
You have to do it, because you know, so I get big, you know, say I first man there, you know.
Yeah, man, what you mean, man?
Yo, I'm a rapper. Rapper. My gold watch, my gold chain. Huh. Money in the bank and I don't know lane. Huh. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Money on the plane. Coke drop on the ground. Brother, I have to think about that when I wicked in that car. Them song, no normal song. Cause when I go over, no normal dog. I know say Coke on the plane. Coke on the plane. Much too much money, and I'm not gonna be lame when I come back. I'm gonna buy all my friends yang yang. Oh boy, brother.
Think tough,
Remember say
man.
I man them a day a long time in a dance. So we tell I talk about me have to buy it. Yo, that it nice.
Yo, me a post it still in a dance so me can get some views still you know.
Yo, yeah, I want a real loyal man them still know day after day one. I forget when I yang them and come back in a dog.
Yo, me a post it, you know, and so me can get some views.
Yeah man, just tag me dog, tag me on the Instagram.
Right away, right now, I'm the funny already, brother. Watch out. Watch out.
At official Alton Garden, or I mean, the right father. Cause when I fall back and nothing normal, you know, dog, and yang, you know. The yang, me I buy all my friends them panel.
Right away, brother.
Hey,
How you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm doing good, you know. We want to talk to you, know, because you have to come mind. We have to get to see your picture. You send it on WhatsApp, eh?
No, I haven't, you know.
Alright, so like how we were you know, we have planned our phone. You have planned for your phone too?
No, I don't have any internet at the moment.
Alright, what kind of phone is you have again? Lime.
Lime.
Rhyme?
Yes.
I'll try to send you some credit.
So what you doing life though? Because whenever we talk about what you do, what kind of work you do?
Well, I recently got accepted to university.
That's good, man. That's good. So when you go?
I should be starting in 2 weeks.
Oh, that sounds good. You know, I like that attitude of you to go to college and everything there.
Send me a picture. I'm going to see you look.
Okay,
I'm talking to. As you go along.
I'm going to send you one now.
Huh?
I'm sending it now, so just look out.
Oh, wow. You look good.
Thank you.
You're a nice shape, you know?
Thank you.
You have a nice shape. You look good. Oh, somebody's like you so beautiful and single. I don't understand.
I don't know what's happening either.
Huh?
I don't know what's happening either.
Oh, somebody like you so... You must have one of our guys. This is so wonderful.
Oh, I'm hearing you. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, I'm going to send you a picture of me.
Alright.
Of my house stuff.
Okay. Oh wow, you're handsome. I see you have the highest grade beside you.
Yeah, man, so that's what I'm building over my own, you know. I could see myself getting to know, you know, even further and investing to forward in positivity and investing into a future, you know what I mean?
Oh, so how would you go about that investment?
No, you sound like you say you want to go to college, so whatever the college fee may be, you know, but that's still responsibility and it's big. I don't know if it's strong like that already, you know what I mean? So like a rich dog, you know?
So just like that you'd assist me with school?
Yeah, I'm that type of person, you know. I'm Mr. Kind. I tell you, I'm the only good man left, you know. So I'm kind. That's just me. I don't think about the negative. I do the positive at all times and hope for positive results.
Oi. What go on for something?
You know, I link me to yourself and link you whatever.
Not tell me that. My birthday pass and gone. Lend you money, you still not give me nothing plus the 30,000 where you promised me. I'll know me not get that.
I made you right, you know. Watch out.
What they go on?
Hold this up to me. Just hold it up. Because...
How are this? So your money where you promised me, 30,000 that day.
Listen me now. When me got it in mind, me never got the money. No, me got it in money. Me no got it in mind.
So what that in your pocket? A style you try style me, Papa?
No, relax, no man. Me not style, man. Me tell you, say me keep promise. And me tell you that. So no keep me a keep, you know.
After me lend you $5,000, you promise say you give me $30,000. My birthday pass and gone as me repeat. And your style you try style me, Papa?
You know what Jamaican borrow money
No,
and no
man.
get it back. You lucky you get it back. You know what Jamaican no get back money when time they lend out money. You lucky you get it back.
Me not say a word to you. Watch what gonna happen. I'm gonna show you what got pumpkin belly here.
Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Did I wake you up?
Oh yeah, something like that.
Alright, so you want to know if you're the man here, baby. I want to send 100,000 to you and the man here, because I do some money transaction today. I'm figure that, since we're not in a new relationship, we want to know if you have things, so that's 100,000 you can help with the school and get the thing pushed off. You know what I mean?
How much?
I want to send 100,000 to you in the morning. Can I get your information to send it to you?
Yeah, but I'm gonna have to. Okay, my account got blocked. Well, I was blocked because my mom sent me some money and it was crossed. So I'm gonna have to ask you to send it to one of my friends.
Alright, anything else? Just give me the information. Just text it to my phone and go up and the money did it. Just text it, it's in there, I'm going to send it to your friend, alright?
Okay, thank you.
Alright, you're welcome, man. Future, we say, future.
Then this real? Let me call Candy. Candy? Yeah, sorry for wake you. Good morning. Send me your information. May I get some money and may I figure make a collect it for me at Western Union. So text me your information so I can send you off. Yes, girl, me know say early but me just get a call and you know say we can't make no money miss me. So send me it here now. Alright.
Feel like you can style people. Hear me now. Until the day you give me the $30,000 day, you shall be mad and stay mad.
But
Happy, me like when you're happy. Happy. Girl, 100,000. 100,000. Watch a girl. Money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yo, me can't count half it. Watch a money. Watch it. Could me can't count half it. Whoa. Money, girl. Give me for me.
I'm say you can't let me just laugh because
Give me for me.
Come
Give
let
me
me
for
hear,
me.
let
Give
me
me
hear,
come.
let me
Give me
hear.
for me.
Go
Give me for me.
on,
Hurry
go
up.
on.
Hurry up and give me for me.
I don't know if you start out
No, just give me for me and then you can go count the rest.
Alright. So 3, 6, 9. Take your 10 grand, I have one.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, you see the day something must believe in a God.
You mean believe in a God, yes? Girl, don't believe in luck. Believe in blessings.
Yeah.
Yes. I can know.
So yeah, go away.
Yeah. I make one bag for you, can take it off. You give me 10 grand. Me buy back one different one. This is a Victoria's Secret. I go buy one Versace. Me have money. Go buy one. Later, me call you here.
Later,
All
my
right.
friend. Later.
Boy, for a female now, we are send money to give so ever so often. Boy, I tell you the truth. I don't think it's a good idea that,
Boy, when I check the thing, this all the investment we make, you know it's what I'm pay off from that time to this time.
Yeah, I understand that, but it's a woman investment, it's different,
But me I try to say still, investment is just investment, you know. You know what I mean? You lose when you want to lose. You know what I mean? So nothing is different, man. Investment is just investment. And a girl like this, you know, see girl, how the girl look.
Yeah, me see it say she look good, but
Yes,
so what?
yes, but at the end of the day, when I bring them little girl you know, and them have them college, them can teach you them. You know what I mean? You them will grow in more that environment for you them when them come forward. Them go know them ABC and them go know things, you know what I mean? And them they go comfortable. So it's a second down investment. Now me what I roll I do me feel like doing in the meantime. But me need a day when we go second down and that yard with moms. So me have fix her up until she get her education and then everything will come true. You know what I mean?
Alright, what you have to do?
Tim, I'll grab a phone card and say in the car.
Thank you. Yeah, man. Me tell her here later.
Young miss. A while ago, me hear you buy something that's your voice just sound like a somebody what me know.
So advice them stay, man.
Said your voice sound, girl.
Aye. This,
Hello, babe.
I'm in a class. Me can't talk you now. Here. Me soon call you back.
Oh. Later me call you. Come just see one girl sound just but later me.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, my while ago, I see her running the female.
Look, you know, say, the female so like a woman, you know. So like a mother at college, me I tell her, so me I say, yo, what is the instead sound like a people still, but I know my procedure. But anyway, that's something more question idea said to you. You know what I mean? So your profile like that's some money for collect.
Alright.
Things of my work, you see?
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Hello, Bill Gates. Remember me? Yeah. You owe me 30,000. You don't owe me 30,000.
Hello? Candy? Yeah, you get through? Alright. Me up a yard. Alright. Do your thing, man. Alright, later. You reach up quickie? Come, cuz.
What are your face light up?
You know what I mean? No money.
She's a girl. What's your 50 grand?
Feel. You want to feel live.
Then you must live.
So, I'm going to say this is your fee.
So how much money you give me?
No 5 grand.
This look like a 2 grand, thanks.
I'm not disrespecting you there. Listen to me. You see, if I never fit college, may I tell you say that I get more money. You're my friend, you know?
That's true, man. I believe you.
Sure, you don't know, man. Alright, so.
Anyway, me have some business to go take care of, you know.
As usual.
Yes, you know my style. So me come check your hair.
Alright, my friend, I say a word and respect here.
Yeah, man. You know, say me do anything for you. And you know, say I try you make me do it, though.
Me know.
Because I not play with my name, you know. Oh, big up yourself.
Alright, later. Now leave your phone.
Girl, in the system, me get 5 grand, me can buy one new phone. You could all take it.
You want me? Wait on the car. Me see you. Wait. Me need 30,000. Yeah, man.
So, babe, I was thinking, after I get my master's degree, you know, we could both get out of the country.
Get out of the country?
Yeah, I mean, we'll have great jobs, we'll be well paid. Get out of the country, yeah.
And then?
I mean, we could start a life somewhere outside of this land. I think that would be awesome. I didn't think of the place. I thought we could, you know, brainstorm. First was Venice, but I didn't want to sound too outlandish or outrageous.
You don't seem to amaze me.
So what do you think?
I don't know. I've always liked Greece.
So Greece? I never heard you talk about Greece. Why
Can't a
Greece?
girl update her taste?
So tell me, what is it about Greece?
Greece is expensive and beautiful.
I was thinking more down the lines of New Orleans.
There you go, calling names I can't even pronounce.
Come on, the food, the culture, it's vibrant, and you know you like to get wild now and again, so it's a perfect place for you.
You don't like when I get one?
I didn't say I don't like it, as a matter of fact, I love it. I'm just saying New Orleans would be the perfect place for you.
Okay. I mean, we can always think about it. We can always work towards it.
Alright, definitely. So, I know you're thinking about graduation.
I can't wait. I'm just so excited. New dress, new shoes. Can't wait to come out.
Yeah.
So why you look like that? What do you mean?
Well, so the thing is, I know I should have told you before, but didn't want to, you know, be off any kind of stress. My mom recently lost her job, and
What?
yeah, everything is already paid for, so I'll be at graduation, but it's just where, you know, clothing and everything is concerned. I know you want everything to be perfect, but
So that you worry about? That make you feel success?
I mean, I know how girls are. They want everything to be perfect on that day, you know?
Babes, if I'm money are your problem, I got money.
Alright, where you get so much money from?
Nah, dirty dog.
Dirty dog?
Yeah.
You talk like I'm supposed to know this dirty.
One man, where they, some part, where see me and like me, and I give me money over 4 years now. So I send some money come, because he was in a semester. But how him can't wait to see me after graduation.
Hold on. How long this happen?
4 years.
My flabbergasted right now. Me not.
He might give me money, he never see me yet, we never meet. And he might give me money.
And I keep this from me for 4 years.
What you mean if me I keep it from for 4 years? I feel money are mine. Babes, Me I do this for we. So all along when all I money me get through this semester, where you think me get it from?
So you want me to believe say some man give you this money and you give him nothing in return?
Me never meet the man yet. Wrong picture me send go give the man.
Oh, so they are sending me a naked picture too?
Me not send him a naked picture, but if somebody has send me the amount of money, I'm not have to show them a picture. Me send him one picture, just one random girl.
Yeah, I not think I can be with somebody who operate like this. So, this whole thing, graduation thing, have to cancel. I don't want to be with somebody who operate like this. No, I don't want to be with somebody who operate like this.
Come here now. Me just, you know, so me, want to you. Babes, you know me I do this for you. So when you behave, so, me tell you, so me, the man not even know me, never see me yet. Just relax, man. Babe, you know, so me I do this for you.
Come here, me.
Hi, baby.
Hello, what's up, baby?
You tell me.
Alright, how much money you say you want to finish college now?
It was 200.
Alright, so because I've been sending you so much money over time, every time I go to this Western Union thing, they might tell me, they might ask me much questions. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to send the whole of it one time. You know what I mean? So who's going to collect it now? Because them block you from it, you know, the amount I'm going to send you. So who's going to collect it now?
You can send it to my friend.
Alright, so, but alright though.
Yes, I'm okay. Are you okay?
Yeah, we just can't wait till the college thing over and everything that you promised me just come true, you know what I mean?
I can't wait either.
Huh?
I'm saying I can't wait either.
Because all the things that you promised me, I hope you give me all the things them, you know what I mean, from that time. Because it's been 4 years now since I've been sending you to college and, you know, I'm patiently waiting, you know what I mean?
Of course, why not? It'll be worth the wait.
I hope that everything that you're going to give me is going to worth the wait.
Of course, baby, it will.
Alright, so what is I'm going to get again?
Well, you know that because we're dating for so long, we'll finally be able to have sex.
Wow. That get me nervous. I feel like I could have sent you all that money one time, but the system of against me. You know what I mean?
You can try to send it. You could try.
I tell you, but I'm sorry. So before them block me, I'm gonna try to send it 3 times or 2 times. I'll try to go and see the best ways, but I'm gonna ensure that I get to can finish college, and I'm gonna buy my tuxedo to come to the graduation, so we can celebrate on the graduation night.
Of course, looking all sharp.
One of the best hotels down there, so we can, you know, pop champagne and celebrate.
Yes, baby, why not?
Alright, so you're good though?
Yes, I'm okay. You?
Yeah, you eat from evening?
Yes, man.
Alright, just not say you're safe, you know, because I'm not eat you, but the whole of money we have. You know, so I last money we have for me still. Yeah, man, come just get a piece of money and I tell you, so I'm just say, alright then. Eventually you get what you want. So don't worry yourself, I'm going to buy early. Tomorrow morning, I'm going to send it off. Or later, I think I'm going to send off P-side today. We will feel I know me, I go down at the place right now. The sky kind of bleaky, but I'm going to go down there right now and send it off. So you can just text me your friend name and information so I can send it to you, okay?
I will. Go before the rain. Go before the rain.
I'll push out right now because I have money for me, alright?
Alright, take care.
Alright,
Yes.
Popeye. Hey. Popeye. Hey. Popeye, what do you? Hey. Sharika. Hurry up, please. Come here.
Now we make it move so strong.
Girl, me see Popeye up a road. Mad as he did born. What happened?
And me, madam.
Afraid of you?
Let me tell you, one thing with me, don't promise me things and don't fulfill it, right? Promises are comfort to a fool. You know, say, he come here and he have him birthday plan when you want to deal with and I lend him $5,000 and he say, he go give me $30,000 and me 5,000 put on top of it. Me go, he feel like he want to come talk to me some type of way and he don't deal with fame end of the bargain. So me just do what me have to do.
So you mad him?
Yeah. And the funniest part of it, he not go better until he give me the $30,000.
Oh, so if he give back your money, then he will come back?
Yes.
Okay. Alright then. I'm gone. Stop to tell her that.
Alright.
Hey!
Not true.
Not true. You're supposed to be tired.
If me tired, from morning me dey work.
No,
You washing
sir.
and water gonna me yaji. Yesterday people them were respond to water, then cut off my water. You know me attack water commission.
Yes,
A river me have to go wash. Not tell nobody shh. You laugh at serious thing. Me nah know water me yard. Me have to go a river. But not tell nobody, you know, cause me know you love chat.
Would me say it goodie?
So what going on?
Girl, money come.
That sound like a sitting good.
Yes, so you have to go collect it for me a morning, can you? So them black me down there.
But I mean, let's collect it for you anyway.
Yeah, them black me.
I see a man a send money come give you.
Yeah.
Cause me know you know no man a foreign.
You don't know I think already.
So how much money he send this time?
50.
50?
He did for send it today. And he end up saying go down there line long and they must lock. By time, I feel time to go in, so saying I send you a morning. So it come a morning. He asked me how much. The tuition, me tell him send me a 200 left. He said I'll send it 4 times because they you know them black me and you know want them a pray him, so.
So guess what? You know, say me we collect it, but you have to give me sitting out there.
Yeah, no, so you're pretty sure, aren't you?
What I mean, but me go tell you something, you know. A long time you collect money from a man there. Me know say you in need of money, but there's a but between the in need of the money. You and me know say you no want him, man. You think it right for you to take him man money over 4 years and you know you no want him? Me know you need it, you know. God know, me know you need it. But you know what happened to some woman we take man money. Man work so hard and take their money go no send you to college, you know, so them a wait for you if you no done college because them a say, yeah, me am a woman. And me am making educated and blah blah if boast to the woman a lawyer, doctor, whatever. And at the end of the day, when you leave college, you're not going to want him. You know, fret about then something there and they wonder, suppose the man can kill you and then something there.
He can't kill me.
What do you mean he can't kill you?
You not even know me look. A wrong picture me send go give him.
A lie.
Sure, girl. You think me a soap? Me not so soft.
Be careful of what you do, you know. Because it is a small world.
Yeah. Me know see a small world but a paper soldier this. Not a bushman. No sense. Live behind God and turn left.
How you know, say, the man a paper soldier?
He live behind God and turn left. Bushman. You understand?
Really?
Tell you what, since you're afraid, you'll find somebody else to do it for me.
No man, I'm not afraid. I can't do it because I want the money. But I just put your pan chalk line enough for you to be careful of what you're doing in this time.
Yeah man, careful man.
But this man, you know him over 4 years, he must send money come give you. Why you call him paper soldier?
A bushman. Bushman. This I do what me have to do. Yeah.
Me know what happened. Me know you don't want that them man there, you know. The same boy we always a tell me about we a go to college. And him you want. But let me tell you something. That boy from me know you, they tell me about him. You never tell me saying you want that yet. Here? And I the man where they support you. And him you call paper soldier. Be careful.
The college boy. Not have no money. You ain't seen their college just like me.
But I him you love.
Yeah, we can make it together after.
You know, say some of we woman, we don't really think positive in a real life. You see the man where we help we support we to the end, and then we put down. We don't want them in our life. And the one we never give we nothing yet, and them we are show love. You think that right? Listen to me, man. You need to wise up. Wise up. Because he not give you nothing and he never give you nothing and you don't know if he go give you nothing at all. Can you imagine over 4 years this man supporting you and you take him for granted? Not tell you no lie. You have a friend, and when you have a friend, if she can't tell you the truth, she's not a friend. The man where they send him money come give you, you know how hard he work to get it. You not even know where he get it from. But at least he must show your interest. And you, they put one college boy. 2 years and him go to college. Over the man will support you. You not tell you lie, me and your friend, but you're wicked.
Me a wicked?
Me and your friend, girl, me have to tell you the truth. But me collect the money still, come on, mine.
You know, you don't know nothing about, you know how much wicked man out there? You don't know how much things them to people, girl pitney, people innocent girl pitney. You don't even know if a karma use me to teach him a lesson. None of them man they wicked and some things will come to them, they have to get it back. Eh?
Me no say nay.
I prefer play them more than make them play me.
My friend, you a teach somebody a lesson. But what about the day when another person is going to teach you a lesson? You never know. Think about it. What goes around comes around. Anyway, cut long story short. Remember somebody tell us I did wash? I go on my yard now, go take out my clothes then.
Alright,
You understand? So, just send me the info.
Yeah,
I'm going to go collect the money for you a morning. Because I want mine. I'm only in on want mine. But be careful.
You walk good.
Yeah, man.
Papa, you know what say, Papa? I see Sharika down the road and Sharika say. Sharika say, anytime you give back in $30,000, you're not mad again. $30,000 money. Money? 30.
Money.
Money.
I didn't.
Money. 30,000 money.
Money.
Yeah.
I didn't.
And you come back too.
Come back.
Clean. Money.
Money.
Beg me money?
Yeah.
Me not stay no longer. Your madness rub off for me. Give back your girl.
Money.
Hello? Yeah, can you please some money come? Go pick up a few minutes, please, baby. Yeah, man. Yes, the usual. Alright, thank you.
I can't pick up money from here.
Yeah, detective?
I thought we're a team, so.
Exactly.
Hmm.
You don't have nothing to worry about.
I'm from money, you know, I know nothing about it, don't you?
Well, watch money to watch.
Just like you watch mine.
Like our son.
Alright. Here, bottom.
No problemo.
Hello?
Candy,
Yes.
which part you there?
Me dey downtown at Western Union. I collect one money for my friend. I college money.
So but what do you think you'll finish?
You know, say the line long though. I me stand up in the line and me a wait. Me see about 6 or 7 somebody there in front of me. So, me soon ready, man. Me soon get
Alright, here what? You see when I finish, me have one emergency, girl. You see when I finish, you just run come here. As soon as you get through, you just run come here, girl. Me have one emergency. Just hurry up.
As me done, me fi run come.
As you're done. Girl, just hurry up and come, please.
How are you feel sick, girl?
Candy, just hurry up and come. As soon as you're done. No go nowhere, just come. Come here, so.
Alright, me soon come.
Alright.
Collect the money.
Alright.
Alright, come.
You reach fast, though.
Yeah, me get work fast, man. The girl ain't work fast.
Okay.
So what you say now?
Feel like I'm pregnant.
Listen, me not hear so good.
Me feel like I'm pregnant.
You're pregnant?
Yeah.
For who?
You must be a rapper.
You have man with a rapper?
Yeah, my man a rapper and soon gone, girl.
And me and your friend so long and you don't tell me say you have one man with a rapper.
Girl, I just what they ain't gone in my career. And soon gone too.
Garnish part? Town?
Foreign.
Foreign? Foreign far out of Jamaica? I lie.
Serious.
How many months?
But that's the way I have to listen to my belly and hear for hear nothing.
Me no doctor. Me not listen to nobody belly. Go on a clinic, then we check you. Anyway. Right now I feel like the pee a cramp me. A long time I turn up in the line of Western Union.
What is bathroom?
I go pee, me soon come back here.
Alright.
Alright. Soon come.
Alright.
What's up guys, it's your girl Ashanti James. So I want to thank Destiny Care Foundation for helping me and for contributing to me. I'm really appreciated what you guys have done, and if there is anyone else out there who wants to contribute to me or help me and assist me in going back to school and personal stuff, you can contact Richard Bone Films. Also, I want to thank the entire Richard Bone families for pushing out and helping me and always having my back. So it's really appreciated. Thank you guys.
I want to say a big up to everybody that has been supporting what we are doing. We are 60,000 subscribers and we are growing, and we are heading to that 100,000 mark. You see me? So big up to everybody that have been sharing up the content, have been liking, and have been supporting. I have a few persons that I want to make special mention of. If you have sent in donations and we don't mention your name, please forgive us. We are trying not to forget anybody at all. We love everything that you guys have been doing and will continue to do in the future. Alright, so I want to big up Laverne. Yeah man, one of the subscribers that have been supporting the movement and have been championing for us. We want to say big up to Francesca Cross. Thank you for your donation. We want to also big up Destiny Care Foundation for your donation that you have sent for Ashanti. You don't know, she really greatly appreciates it. I want to say thank you. And if there's any other persons that are watching this video and want to make a donation to her, she is trying to go back to school. She's trying to further her education and she loves the whole acting thing. So please support her. Alright, also we want to big up Sarah Brown. Big up yourself, Sarah. And also Jason Bryant. We want to say big up and thank you for your donation. Also Laura Dinkins, thank you for your contribution. We greatly appreciate it. And there is this young lady that she made a donation in terms of she sent some props and stuff. In the next video, I'll make sure I give her a special thanks. When we go collect your bar and everything, I'll make sure we do a video for that. And Fire their country right now, and then he's watching. So he say, yo, him say, make sure say, when you make no promise, no, sorry, Papa say if you keep. So now I'll say that if you make a promise to anyone, make sure you fulfill that promise, because you don't know, you're still trying to buy this camera, to get some new equipment, to buy some new light, to buy a tripod, to buy everything to make the production more wholesome. So guys, please, if you want to make a donation, link me up on Instagram and DM me and tell me how you want to contribute towards buying some new equipment, because we still are going with the old camera, still are going with the old editing system, but we have to do what we have to do. Alright, this video that you're watching, it's a two-part episode. So part 1 is on Richard Brown Films and part 2 will be on the other channel, Jamaiwood. So when you watch part 1, head over to Jamaiwood and watch part 2. And remember, if you are here for the first time, make sure you subscribe, alright? Make sure you head over to Instagram and follow us at Jamaiwood and also Richard Brown Films and also Paradise Nation. So big up on yourself, continue to watch, continue to show us the love that we need. Big up on yourself and see you next time. Alright, so which one of your channel is it? Which one of your favorite movie?
Richard Brown Films.
Me know about which one of your movie on the channel your favorite?
Oh, the one. The one we sit there. One man, a man did turn up our Netflix, go away and they drink, and in drunk and they talk about he have and both he have ears and he got going go till Candy say.
Oh, when you stop lying.
Yeah.
Oh, is your favorite one that?
Yeah.
Alright, so which one are your favorite one?
My favorite one is Blind by Love.
Blind by Love. And which one is yours? Huh? Which one is yours? You have no favorite one?
No.
Oh.
But you all of them.
Eh?
Me love all of them.
Okay.
With the man when named Leon, we got trouble Papa when Papa mother and son. The one they told me.
The one they told?
Yeah.
You give that thumbs up?
Yeah, if it good.